Today I am unboxing the pleasing Shroom Bloom Set. This is a set of nail polish from Harry Styles, and I was especially intrigued because they chose Mick Fleetwood as the face of the ad campaign. I am a huge Mick Fleetwood fan and was lucky enough to meet him a few years ago, so I just had to grab this polish. It comes in several colors. The first one, Sprouting, is a pale green. Tender Bud, this one is a mushroom beige. Vine Ripe is a vibrant red opaque gloss formula. And the last one, the Whole Dewniverse, that is a sheer holographic bio glitter formula. Underneath we have a sticker and some decals. Of course, the famous pleasing logo, and then some small decals that you can put on your nails. I love that they come in a variety of colors. They are so cute with the flowers and the mushrooms. I started with Tender Bud, and I love this natural color. Next, I used the Whole Dewniverse by itself just to see how glittery it was. Next, I tried the Sprouting, which looks like a mint green. Finally, Vine Ripe. This one ended up being my favorite, and you can see how smooth this one goes on. Then I decided to try some of the decals. My fingernails are pretty small, so it was a little tricky getting those on there, but they did look super cute. And everything in this video is just one coat. After two coats, this looks stunning. And I did try the Dewniverse over some of the colors. Here it is over the Sprouting, and here it is over the Vine Ripe. And I love this set. I actually love it even more than the initial Pleasing line that was released in the fall. This one is even cuter. I highly recommend it. And that's it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.